Hi, I'm Reva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and we're going to use Woolly Poly on a serger. So Woolly Poly is a really nice thread that has stretch to it. So it's kind of like cotton candy. It has a fluff to it. It gets straighter when it's pulled, and it gets fluffy when it's relaxed. So let's talk about getting that into our serger. Now, a serger, usually you thread in all, you have to thread in certain order and everything. This one is really cool because it has little tubes, and so when you push the button, it closes those tubes, so we're going to be able to send our thread through with just air. Now, the challenge with that is that we can't put the fluffy thread through those tubes with a puff of air. So I'm going to get myself a length of thread, and I'm going to meet the ends on one side, and then I have the loop on the other. And I'm going to take the two ends and stick into my little hole right here. And then I'm going to use the little puffer lever. And I'm just going to give it a little, whoops, it got caught. Give it a little bit of there we go. Give it a little guy here, a little puff. And here he is right here. It's come out the looper. So I have the ends on one side, and now I'm left with the loop on this side. And we're just going to take our fluffy thread and slip it through that loop and then give it a pull. This is called a thread cradle. So now the machine is ready to make a rolled hem. Let me get that thread to the back because that's just how I prefer to do it. Get it back here. And then we'll close it up. And that thread cradle works really great if you're doing anything with a heavyweight thread or a fluffy thread. So now this machine makes a beautiful rolled hem, and it actually turns the fabric under and trims as you go. And you're going to see we have an absolute gorgeous, juicy, thick rolled hem that's perfect for any garment, home deck, or whatever project you might be working on. So make sure you give Woolly Poly a try in your serger.